I'll guide you through how to install WordPress. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and go to apacheFriends.org/download.html. Click Download for the latest version of 𝗕𝗂𝘂𝗶𝗲𝗀 based on your operating system. Once the installer file has finished downloading, open it and install the program by clicking Next until the setup is complete. After installation, click Finish, and the 𝗕𝗂𝘂𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀 control panel will open. In the control panel, click Start for both the Apache and MySQL modules. Next, go to wordpress.org/download in your browser and click the Download button for the latest version of WordPress. Locate the WordPress folder, Extract it, and press Ctrl+X to cut the extracted folder. Go to the Stocks folder inside the 𝗕𝗂𝘂𝘶𝗶𝗂𝗀 folder on the C drive and press Ctrl+V to paste the WordPress folder. Then open the 𝗕𝗂𝘂𝘶𝗶𝗂𝗀 control panel again. Click Admin for the MySQL module and create a new database by clicking New, naming it WordPress, and clicking Create. Open a new browser tab. Type localhost/WordPress, enter your database name and username, and click Submit. Click Run the installation. Then enter the site title, username, password, confirm password checkbox, and email. Finally, click Install WordPress.